If you're watching this, congratulations, you've made it to week 7. This is the course wrap-up. So for the last week of the course, your final project is going to be due, and we're going to share this across the class in the form of a discussion board. So what you're doing is you're going to take what you've learned throughout this course and create a course tour video where you walk us through what you've developed. So here are the project requirements. You're going to showcase one learning unit or module, and this would be the same one that you showed to me using the course design matrix and that you've been working on building in D2L. You'll share your assessments, so at least one formative or a summative assessment that you've developed, which is also what we did in week 3 with the course design matrix in your assessment plan. You'll show us your orientation module, or some people call it week 0 or your getting started module, and ensure that you've met the LMS minimum requirements, the learning management system requirements. You'll have your resources and materials showcased as well, so the videos, the articles, games, the LMS tool that you developed, so your formative assessments that you're using and your materials that you're using to support the learning objectives and ensure that your students are learning what you've set out to achieve. And then I'll also be looking at the video quality, just ensuring that you have everything that you needed to have in the video and that you also were able to make it accessible by uploading it to YouTube, Vimeo, or somewhere else where you can get the closed captioning. On the project instruction page, there are step-by-step instructions for creating a course tour video. So instructions for using Screencast-O-Matic, Screencastify. Just like I said, you can also just use Zoom and record that way if that's something that you're more familiar with. Then you'll publish your video using Vimeo or YouTube. That way you get the closed captioning. And then step 3 is to submit and share your video using the assignment folder and also the discussion board. That way we can share out and see what other people are working on as well. And I also provided 2 project examples. So there's one using IDT G20 and then one that I created for you using my alternative assessments course. So this is due by April 28th, Wednesday. You're going to submit it using the submission link, final project unit presentation, and then share your video and reflect on the process using the discussion board. In Module 7, you'll see all of these links here. The final project instructions was what I was just going over with you. Then you've got the final project unit presentation, and this is pretty much where you're going to submit your video to me so I can give you feedback on it. And then this is the discussion board where you're going to also post your video so everybody in the class can see what you've been working on throughout these past 7 weeks. I can't wait to see your videos. It's been a pleasure working with you throughout the semester. So please don't hesitate to reach out to me if you have any questions. Take care.